Hi everyone, welcome to our channel In the Wheel World. Today we're at the Ribble Valley Steam Railway on the Santa Special. Hi guys, so as part of your Santa Special ticket, you're able to look around the museum. There's loads of old trains, train memorabilia, and it's definitely worth a visit. While you're on the ride, you also get a Christmas Carol sing-along and you get to meet the big man himself. I just wanted to touch a little bit more on the accessibility. From the car parking to the entrance to getting around the museum, I really couldn't fault it. There's a decent sized disabled toilet in the reception area. I didn't film the toilet, it's really busy. It might look a bit weird. But yeah, there's nothing fancy about it, but it would work for a lot of people. You look very jolly. Hi. We're right at the back.
Right, now, when you're waiting for Santa,
Not far away.
the thing is, that Santa's told us that he's not going to deliver presents to any carriage where people don't sing. So we need to have a sing, alright? Oh,
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Through the snow, on a one-horse open sleigh.
What are you doing all the way up here?
We're in the naughty carriage.
Special one. So we got here.
Jocelyn.
How old are you, Jocelyn?
I'm 13.
13.
Guy.
How old are you?
14.
Oh, I've only got a couple more years of being embarrassed. No favouritism here. Right, left or right?
Right.
Right. That one.
I guess, I think so.
Have a lovely Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. See you soon.